Look at the size of this cat. There you go. Oh, not bad.
There's a fish. Oh my. Ooh.
We've got a catfish on. Let's go. Oh,
Oh
my
dude.
gosh. That's the biggest catfish I've ever seen. All right, today we're out fishing a private little farm pond to see if we can catch some giant catfish. We're all set up now. Got a couple of floaters and a couple on the bottom. It's right about spawn time, so the catfish in here are that confusion state where they want to spawn, but they really can't because it's just too small of a pond. So we're hoping to cash in on the confusion and reel in some lunkers. Dealing with some 20 to 25 mile per hour winds, so that makes it a little tough to bottom or bobber fish for that matter. It's a crosswind, so I don't know, we'll see. There's big fish in here, I guess. Maybe do a little bass casting while we're waiting for the catfish to find the baits. These are so good.
I'm glad they're boneless.
Here.
Thank you, Dad.
You gonna eat that whole smoked sturgeon yourself, bro?
Yeah, I think so.
Super awesome, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Good job.
Get the net. Keep your tip up. It's a big fish. Look at the big swirls.
Yeah. Lando, pull him towards you, buddy.
Got him.
Let him take drag, though.
Oh,
Yeah, they're huge.
yeah.
I'm telling you, they're huge catfish in
Look
here.
at the size of this cat.
Look at that.
Keep reeling.
Get him, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Get him, buddy. You got him. Keep reeling, bud.
Nice. He's huge, Landon.
Yeah, Lando.
What do you think, Landon?
You stop if he's running.
This is
you
like a
stop.
5 or 6 pounder here. Keep reeling.
Pull him up to your dad, bud.
Got him.
Go. Good
Oh,
job,
look at
buddy.
that fish.
Good
That's a
job,
fatty.
bud.
Oh,
Very good.
big fat female. Look at that.
God, look. she's
Holy
full of
cow.
eggs, dude.
Holy cow.
Woo!
Look at the size of that cat, dude. There you go. Look at the size of that thing. Did he fight hard? Giant. All right. Let's see what we got to wait on this big lunker. Go ahead and hook it into his gill there. Let's see, what do we have? Hold it up. 5 pounds, 8 ounces. 5 pounds, 9 ounces. Nice job, Landon. That is 2 ounces less than your biggest fish. Your walleye was 5'11", your catfish is 5'9".
Oh, just
So close. Man, we'll have to try again, see if we can get a 10. We got to get Hasek one too. Hasek, what are you doing?
Ah!
You are silly. Landon was the star of the show. Hooked it on his own, reeled it on his own, did it all, saved the day. Big 5 pound, 5.5 pounders. We'll try it again. Maybe when it's a little hotter, the fish are biting a little better.
I don't want to walk away from the fishing rod.
My biggest bass ever came off of one of these, and I actually even caught 2 bass at once on one of these one time. So had pretty good luck with them in the past, but don't use them too often. What's wrong with this reel here? Why is it doing that? Oh! Oh!
Right at the back.
Dang, just crushed it. Oh, nice one too.
Right at the friggin' bank.
Right at the bank. I was just about to lift it out of the water, so I was burning it in. He nailed it. Not bad. Oh, you don't do that. 1 pound, 15 ounces.
Nice. 2 pounds. We won't call a guy a liar for an ounce.
There's a fish. Oh my, that's a big bass. Got my bait. That was a huge, that was at least a 4 or 5. I think that was a 5 pound bass. Ooh. There's one. Jeez. I was about ready to bring it in quick and pitch it back out there, and we got a 2 pound bass on. Yeah. No small bass. Get out of that poison ivy, dude. Oh, right in it. 14 and a half. Come on, let's get one right up in there. There's a fish. Oh, little guy. All right, let's move up a little bit, because we saw a big splash right here in this moss. Let's see if we can find the fish that made it. Oh, that was crazy. See that? He hit it, but missed it. That was crazy. Ooh. Oh, I got a little one. Yeah. Just a little guy. Well, they can't all be monsters. See ya, bud. He's got one. Hang on, I'll be over there. We've got a catfish on. Let's go. Oh, don't let it break your pole. Oh, that's a beaut, dude. That's
Can you get him?
7-8 pounder. You're gonna have to wear him out a little bit. He's huge.
Watch my other rod, dude. This one just about went in the water.
Oh, that's a
Oh
my
dude.
gosh. That's the biggest catfish I've ever seen. Dude. Oh,
Oh my
slowly,
God. Oh
slow.
my
Just
God.
give him some drag. Give him some drag. You need to wear him out. Dude, he's over 10 pounds. Wear him out. Wear him out. That is a huge, huge. Just give him some drag. Holy cow, dude. That thing is a giant. Oh my gosh. That thing's over 30 inches. Holy cow.
My rod almost went in the water, dude.
Oh, that's insane. That thing is a giant.
Should we let it go?
Probably. That's huge. That is a huge fish.
Whoa.
Oh wow. This is gonna, I should have brought my grabber.
Yeah, you should have.
Oh, dude. Oh, look at the size of that thing. What a chunk. That's a 10-pound cat. I'm gonna go with 10 pounds
Oh, he feels 10 pounds.
even. Oh,
Oh, man.
so, oh, there it is.
Oh,
10, 9.
9.
10 pounds, 9 ounces, dude. Oh,
man, what a
here, go ahead and
beast.
grab him and rinse him off. 10-pound cat. That is a giant.
Catfish hunter, baby.
Hold up. Giant. Dude,
That's what we're here for.
hold him straight up and down. Look at that. That is a giant. Nailed it. All right, this guy is too big to keep. We got to let him go. This is the dinosaur.
All right, buddy. Thanks for the fight, brother.
There he goes.
All
Catfish
right.
can stand out of the water for a while.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, that was awesome.
That's why we're here.
Oh, man. Giant cats.
Oh, man, that was fun.
Dude. We got to get the kids out to catch one of those
We
suckers,
do,
dude. They'll just go
definitely.
insane. I've never caught one half that big. Like, my biggest cat ever is 6 pounds.
I think mine was the one that hooked into your pinky, 5.5.
Oh, man. Let's get some more. That was crazy.
Let's get some more.
Catch any more?
Jeez, you